If you want to install Dynamic Island on Google Pixel 10, first thing that we can do is open the Play Store. Now over here in Play Store, we're gonna search for an app that is called the Dynamic Spot, which is an example app that allows you to get the Dynamic Island on your Google Pixel 10. So I'm gonna use this app. However, feel free to try to find any other app that provides the Dynamic Island. You can just simply type Dynamic Island in the search field in order to try to find other apps. So let's open it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, and it's pretty easy. So press next over here once this button appears, and then we need to tap first on the select app here, select apps I mean, and we need to choose apps that should be working with the Dynamic Island. So if you want to choose which apps should be displayed on the Dynamic Island, then over here you can choose that by tapping on these switchers. You can also press all in the top right corner in order to select every app. Afterwards, we're gonna go back. Over here we need to grant access to notifications, so tap over here on the second option. Now in here, select the Dynamic Spot and allow notification access, and then once again press allow. Now we're gonna tap on draw on screen, press allow, and then tap again in order to go next. Over here on this screen, select Dynamic Spot and enable it, and press allow. There we go. Now we can press done. If you see this premium offer, we can close it over here in the upper right corner, and it is pretty much good to go. If you want to customize apps that are working with the Dynamic Island, you can go to notifications and then choose apps in order to choose these apps that should be synchronized with it. You can also go to position in order to see how the Dynamic Island looks like, and I think it could be better, so let's actually make it a little bit wider, because why not? Let's say something like this. We can also move it up a little bit. Let's try to synchronize it. Let's try to position it next to the, pretty much so that the front camera is set in the center over here. And I think this, like this, it looks pretty great. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So of course you can customize the size and position if you want to. It's up to you how you wish it to look like. But that should be it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.